Hi, it's Stephanie at Burgess Riverview Toyota. You see this truck right here? We're trying to stuff it full of non-perishable food items. We're partnered with United Food Bank to fight hunger this holiday season. We talked to the folks at the food bank. They say that the 3 most requested items are canned chicken, canned tuna, and peanut butter. But no gift is too small. We're looking for any non-perishable food item, boxed or canned. Anything that you can bring would be wonderful. No gift is too small. We hope to see you down here at Burgess Riverview Toyota. The Burge way, it's different.